Today's video is brought to you by the color yellow. What? Too much? Too much yellow? I like it. I like the yellow. Black and white, it is a travel wardrobe staple, and it's wonderful to carry because it's black and it's white and they go together. And I travel a lot, so I have a lot of it, but I'm getting a little bit bored with just the black and white, and I'm going to show you how to add a little bit of color to your basic black and white travel wardrobe. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. All right, maybe this is a little much. Yellow is my favorite color. I would wear this. I don't know. Some of you probably wouldn't, but let's go through some little hacks that are going to help you add some color to your wardrobe. All right, let's start with some of the things I have on right now, which is a pair of yellow glasses. These are my bifocal reading glasses, but I love how they add a little pop of color, and I can wear them and see straight out or read or anything. It's a great way to add a little bit of color to your wardrobe, is put some reading glasses in with some color. And of course I have this bucket hat here, which is so fun. I just love it. It just says summer and sun and fun to me. So this cute little bucket hat, it's great because it folds flat. And it's really easy to travel with. So find yourself a colorful little bucket hat. It's great for summer. The other thing is this beautiful yellow sweater. I know it's bright and it's out there, but you can tone it down with some things. Even here I put in a black and white collared shirt underneath of it to tie it in with the black and white, and of course I have my white pants on. But even though it's bold, you could also tone it down with other things like scarves. For example, the scarf that I had earlier has a lot of black and white, but it has this cute little yellow fringe. And if you wanted just to tone it down, you could just put it around your shoulders or tie it around your neck and tone it down a little bit that way, just to give you a little bit of black and white more if you need it. So don't forget to do things like this scarf or anything like that. 100 degrees outside, so I've got to get out of this sweater. That is so much better. A little cooler here. So I've got my basic black and white check top, my white jeans. I want to add a little pop of yellow, so I'm going to do it with hair accessories. Add a fun little hair accessory to your hair, whether it's bows like this or a clip. Those things can add a little pop of color without being too overboard, or add a cute fun shopping bag like this one. Look at this. Is this fun or what? And it has those little diddly balls that match my little scarf here. This would be a great time to pull something like this together, right? They have that yellow, they match all together. It's a great shopping complement. I don't worry about mixing my textures and patterns like that together. I think this is still really cute together, so if I needed to put something over my shoulders, I could use this. And I love the fun bag and how it ties all together. And guess what? I have another fun bag right here. This bag right here is from the dollar store. The dollar store. I got this little shopping bag, and what I love about them is that they fold flat, so they'll sit right in the bottom of my suitcase. They don't take up hardly any room, and they're a great way to add a little pop of color to my day and vacation and when I'm traveling. But this also is a bag of goodies here. I'm going to show you some other things where you can add some color. You know, we've talked about hair things, so find some little hair ties that have all kinds of colors in them. They're great to add a little color. I also have these shoelaces. Yes, I did this with my shoes. Let me show you. Look at this. I took out the white laces and put in the yellow, and I actually think it's kind of cute with one being white and one being yellow, but if that's not your thing, just put another pair in so they're both yellow. So this adds a nice little pop of color to my shoes. And luggage tags. These things also add a little pop of color. You'll see here that has the little yellow lemons, which is one of my favorite things. And I put this on this little beach bag so that it has a pop of color, but also if it were to get lost or something, my contact information is in here. And I also love this bag. Again, it folds completely flat and it allows me to lay it flat right in the suitcase. So these are great travel items to have. And again, a little pop of color with a cute little luggage tag. How about a little crossbody bag that's mostly black and white but has just this tiny bit of yellow to help tie it all in. And I've talked about this on another video, hair clips. These are two little hair clips that just clip on here, just just like that. They just clip on to the bag here. Let me get it back on here. And they're fun. They come in all kinds of colors and different shapes, but this little basic black bag then becomes something a little bit more fun. And you can put all kinds of clips on here, but I love how the yellow ties in with my wardrobe. Remember that hair tie that was in my hair? I just put it onto the handle of this little bag, and it adds a nice little pop of color. It's a great little bag just to take out for day tripping and shopping. Plus, if I want to put my hair up, I have a hair tie. And inside this bag, I have some other things that are yellow. This is actually a little bag for cosmetics, but I sometimes put snacks and things like that if I'm going to the beach. And the other thing I'm carrying is my Eco Zip It bag, which is insulated. It's washable by machine, washable by hand, washable in the dishwasher. This yellow color just adds a nice pop to this bag. And also, I found some little Ziploc bags that have these lemons and things on them. I thought they were so cute, just to put some snacks and stuff in, and it brings a pop of color to my little snack bag as well. So find little ways like this to add color to your travel wardrobe. Heading out to the beach or a day out shopping, transform it from this to this. Another little fun thing. I took the same clips that were on that purse, I stuck them on this hat, and now I have a fun little hat with some little bit of yellow. Ladies, never underestimate the power of a scarf. It is multifunctional and can transform your wardrobe like that. Just like that, I've taken this polka dot with a little bit of yellow in the scarf, paired it up with this striped shirt. I like the polka dots and stripes together. I think it's fun, and I think the yellow adds a little nice pop of color. Basic black t-shirt. Let's see how many ways I'm going to transform this thing. I add a little silk square scarf, tied it up, and now it's totally transformed how this top works. I love silk scarves because they don't have it where I'm too hot or too cold. I carry a silk scarf with me every single day, and I love this one because it has my favorite color in it. Here's that little yellow bobbled scarf. I think this looks really cute. Want color, but you're afraid for too much color? Find a scarf like this that just has the littlest bit of color in it. This will just bring a little color into your wardrobe, but keep it still very black and white and neutral. Oh, by the way, I got this scarf at the dollar store. Going out at night and you think you might get cold? Here's a sweater option. I took that same pullover and just threw it across my shoulders. If you don't like a pullover, just find a nice little yellow cardigan. Yellow a little bit too much for you still? Take a nice sheer triangle scarf and just tone it down a little. And just like that, tones it down and adds a nice little bit of texture to this black and yellow combo. Or take a little square scarf and just tie it, move the knot to the side, and you've got a cute little scarf around your neck that adds a little style. White on white is a wardrobe basic, especially for summer, and I love this baby doll top. It is so comfortable with the sleeves that aren't tight, the waist that's not tight, it flows when I walk, and it's one of my travel staples. And again, a white shirt like this, beautiful, but I'm gonna add the scarf to it, and it just adds a nice bit of texture and color, changes the way this top looks completely. And again, here it is, polka dots and stripes against this white top. Gives it a nice bit of professional style for me. Of course, when you're wearing black and white, you may not always want to add a bold pop of color, and something simple like jewelry can really bring that color in. And for me, it's going to be these large gold earrings, this beautiful gold chain with this black and gold pendant that will tie into the bracelet that is black and gold. So the gold brings in that yellow color that ties in with the rest of this wardrobe. And let's not forget about shoes. Now, I think a pair of gold shoes like this go with any wardrobe. It's something that'll go with a light colored wardrobe, a dark colored wardrobe. It's a classic. And there are many ways to add shoes like this into your wardrobe to bring a little bit of color. Opting for a pair of sparkly gold flip-flops is a great way to add some sparkle and color to your wardrobe. Or some basic black flip-flops with a little bit of gold. Or do like me, make your own and take some basic ballet flats, and all I've done is add these hair clips, and they give me a little pop of that yellow gold and some nice sparkle. If you want to know how to get this top, there will be a link in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Look for some fun tops that have color to them. I love this top because it has the beautiful embroidery colors and that yellow is in it. So this is one of my favorites. And the detail in the back, the tie back here also adds that color. So from the front and the back, I think this top works great. Pair that with a cute hat and a cute little shopping bag, and I'm going to be prepared for a great day of shopping fun. A nice yellow top with a black and white pattern like this one adds a nice pop of color, but these little flowers tie in with the black and white in my wardrobe, and it's so comfortable for summer. A cute little t-shirt that is color blocked. I love the yellow at the top. I love the stripes for the texture here, but I also love how the white in the bottom ties in with the white jeans, so it gives me that a little bit of elongated look in the legs. Another great way to add color to your wardrobe. On those hot days, there's nothing like a little bit of cotton that doesn't stick to you like this top. It has the black and white and gray theme going on here with just a little bit of yellow. Now with this little yellow sweater on top, I've got a great outfit to take me from the hot days to the cool nights. I love it. If the color you choose is a little bit too bright and you need to tone it down a little bit, you can do things like add a little tank top and then cover it with a shirt that has the colors in it, but it also has some muted colors. For example, I have this bright yellow tank top. It's picking up on the yellow in the shirt, but some of the muted tones in here just tone it down a little bit, but still allow me to tie in that yellow color to the rest of the wardrobe. There's nothing like classic black on black, but I'm going to add a little bit of shine and color to this now. And now by adding this cute little gold top to this, it's nice and sheer and thin, some black and gold jewelry, and a cute little purse, and some gold shoes, I have an outfit that picks up that yellow gold feel, and then I can go out to dinner almost anywhere. All right, so I've added this hat. This just makes this outfit, I think. I like the cute little bits of the hair clips here that tie in with the gold and the yellow that I'm wearing. And I think it just makes it fun on this outfit. Another great going out to dinner outfit, and all I did was add a little bit of color with this scarf, and I think it adds a nice pop to this black and white dinner outfit. Not afraid of color? Then this outfit is for you. I've paired this black tank top that I had for the dinner outfit earlier, and now I've added these fun, colorful palazzo pants to it. It adds a lot of color, but the yellow is in it as well, and I've just topped it off with this yellow sweater, and I have a fun outfit just to go out to a dinner. It's just, or even day shopping, you could wear this out, but if you like color, this is a great way to add it, and the black kind of just anchors it a little bit, so find ways to play with your wardrobe and add color to it. Now I've gone full yellow with this cute little jumpsuit that is wonderful, silky material, and this macrame top. Great for a day out shopping or just running around the pool. But if I want to anchor it down a little bit and go out to dinner, I'm going to add this black top. And simply by adding this little black tie top to this, it anchors the outfit, brings the tone down a little bit, and it's a great outfit I can go out to dinner in as well. I love how this cardigan adds such a great bit of that sunset yellow to this basic black and white dress. It's one of my favorite combos. Stripes on stripes? Absolutely. I love how the thicker stripe on this and the thinner stripe work together, but the yellow detail on this adds color but separates the stripes a little bit, and it's a great little fun way to go out for a day of shopping or even out to dinner. I love this combo too. Of course, it wouldn't be a summer vacation without a pool cover up, and this is my favorite. This is a synthetic material, but it feels and flows like that cotton. I love the different colors. There is the whole color spectrum inside of this cover up, and if you look close, look at these little colorful balls that are all on here. There's this little fringe just makes it. It's a rainbow of color here as well. I love how it fits. Now I can wear this anywhere. It's actually kind of just a dress, but I wear it as a bathing suit cover up, and I just pair it with my little summer yellow bucket hat, and I'm ready to go to the pool or the beach. It's so fun. And lastly, I love a good black and white geometric print dress. Something like this from Amoretu is very versatile. I love that it has a baby doll design, so it's really comfortable. I love that it has sleeves that can be long, but there's elastic so I can push them up when I need to. I also love that I can wear it in my room. I can wear it if I'm going from the bathroom to my bedroom at a friend's house. I can wear it out to the pool. I can wear it out to lunch. I can wear it out to dinner. It's just so versatile. It's great to have a dress like this in your travel wardrobe. And if you like this dress, there's a link in the description below with a 10% off coupon, so make sure you visit to find yourself a dress like this or one of the many other designs that they have. So that's it. Those are my hacks for adding a little bit of color to your basic black and white travel wardrobe. I hope you got some good hacks and hints out of that. If you did and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It'll let you know when I've posted a video. Until the next time, juice life, drink the joy, keep life simple. I'll see you in the next video.